This one's called Understanding Everything. And you know, I'm kind of rooted in the physical art world, and I find the digital art world more challenging. But I think this has to be part of the process to create truly digital artworks, is to destroy the physical artwork, because the two can't exist at the same time. Yeah. You're so calm. That's what that's called.